Welcome back again to Unleashing Your Potential. Becoming yourself is a journey, not a destination. There is no finish line for becoming you. It is not a moment. It is a series of small choices, repeated, refined, and lived. Think back where you were 1 year ago. Notice how much you have grown. Every small shift counts. Your time, your energy, everything is valid. Becoming you is saying what you feel, letting go of what weighs you down, choosing yourself even when it's hard, practicing and learning daily. And the beautiful part, every day you choose growth. You choose to align yourself. You choose to align your values. Perfection is not the goal here. But what is important? It's consistency, awareness, and courage. So remember, every small choice counts. Every decision counts. So let me know in the comments. I am becoming. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.